Tesla CEO Elon Musk wants Tesla to be known for being far more than an electric car company. Tesla's CEO described the firm as having deep AI activity in hardware and the interference level on the training level that can be used for purpose beyond self-driving cars in the future, including a humanoid robot that Tesla is reportedly working on. Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Space Zone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the big revelations from Tesla's AI Day. So make sure to stay till the end of the video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our videos. Now without further ado, let's dive in. It's been nearly 2 years since Tesla's first Autonomy Day. CEO Elon Musk made several bold predictions about the future of autonomous vehicles, including the now famous that the company would have 1 million robo-taxis on the road by the end of 2020. The event is called AI Day this time. And the sole goal, according to Musk, is to persuade experts in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence to come work at Tesla. Tesla is known for its high turnover rate, with the most recent example being Jerome Guillen, a key executive who worked at the company for 10 years before stepping down recently. Tesla held its AI Day event on August 19th. These talks have been labeled as a recruiting opportunity by Elon Musk, who sees them as a chance for the corporation to attract top talent in the field of artificial intelligence. However, they allow Tesla to demonstrate its technology, providing investors with a glimpse into the future. Tesla AI Day featured a series of Tesla engineers explaining various Tesla tech with the explicit goal of recruiting the best and the brightest to join Tesla's vision and AI team and help the company go to autonomy and beyond after a rousing 45 minutes of industrial music plucked straight from the Matrix soundtrack. Tesla director Ganesh Venkataramanan unveiled the company's supercomputer chip, which was created and built wholly in-house and is used to power Dojo, Tesla's supercomputer. Dojo, the neural network training machine that Musk claims will analyze enormous amounts of camera imaging data 4 times quicker than any existing computer system, is at the heart of Tesla's AI architecture. According to the plan, the Dojo-trained AI software will be handed out to Tesla users via over-the-air upgrades. The chip unveiled by Tesla during the event is dubbed D1 and features 7nm technology. Venkataramanan enthusiastically displayed the chip, which according to him has GPU-level compute with CPU connectivity and twice the I/O bandwidth of today's state-of-the-art networking switch chips, which are considered to be the gold standards. Each D1 has a processing power of 362 teraflops, which means it can perform 362 trillion floating-point operations per second. Tesla also makes a training tile out of 25 chips and connects 120 of them across numerous server cabinets. Dojo will have over 1 exaflop of processing power, with each training tile clocking in at 9 petaflops. To put another way, Dojo will be the world's most powerful AI training machine. What difference does it make? Massive volumes of data and a strong computer capable of using that data to train deep neural nets are 2 requirements for artificial intelligence. Tesla already has an advantage over the other automakers with over 1 million Autopilot-enabled EVs on the road. Tesla's advantage has now been bolstered by introducing an exascale supercomputer, which management claims will be operational next year. In other words, the business has more data and better technology than the competition, putting its league ahead in the race to produce a self-driving car, and the autonomous vehicles are the way of the future in the automobile business. Venkataramanan explained the chip's technical details, adding that Tesla wanted to own as much of its technology stack as possible to eliminate bottlenecks. Last year, Tesla launched a next-generation computer processor for Samsung, but it could not avoid the global semiconductor shortage that has plagued the auto industry for months. Musk claimed during an earnings call this summer that the business had to rebuild specific vehicle software after needing to substitute in different processors to survive the shortage. Apart from the limited availability, the overall purpose of bringing chip fabrication in-house is to enhance bandwidth and lower latencies for more extraordinary AI performance. According to several of the speakers at the AI Day event, Dojo will not only be a technology for Tesla's full self-driving FSD system, but also a unique advanced driver-assistance system that isn't yet fully self-driving or autonomous. The powerful supercomputer is created with many components, such as simulation architecture, that the business aims to universalize and open up to other automakers and other companies. This is not intended to be just limited to Tesla cars, said Musk. Those of you who've seen the full self-driving beta can appreciate the rate at which Tesla neural net is learning to drive, and this is a particular application of AI. But I think there's more applications down the road that will make sense. Musk stated that Dojo will be operating next year, at which point we can expect to hear about this technology may be used in various other scenarios. Tesla reaffirms its vision-based approach to autonomy during AI Day. This technique uses neural networks to allow the car to operate anywhere on the planet via its autopilot system. Andrej Karpathy, Tesla's head for AI, defined its design as creating an animal from the bottom up that wanders around, detects its surroundings, and behaves intelligently and autonomously based on what it observes. Karpathy demonstrated how Tesla's neural network have evolved and how the car's visual cortex, which is essentially the first part of the car's brain that processes visual information, is now designed in conjunction with a broader neural network architects so that information flows into the system more intelligently. Temporary occlusions, such as cars at a busy intersection blocking autopilot's view of the road beyond, and signs or markings that appear earlier in the road, are the two main problems Tesla is working to solve with its computer vision architecture. To address this, Tesla engineers used the Spatial Recurring Network Video module, in which different aspects of the module keep track of various parts of the road and form a space-based and time-based queue, both of which create a cache of data that the model can refer to when attempting to make road predictions. Tesla exercised its over 1,000-person manual data labeling staff and guided the audience through how the firm auto-labels various clips, many of which are retrieved from Tesla's on-road fleet to label a scale. The AI team then used a fantastic simulation to create a video game with Autopilot as the player, using all this real-world data. The simulations are beneficial when dealing with data that is difficult to get or label or when it is in a closed loop. Tesla revealed some surprising news in a spectacular approach near the end of the AI Day event. After the Tesla engineers and executives spoke about computer vision, the Dojo supercomputer, and the Tesla chip, there was a brief break during which an extraterrestrial go-go dancer, clothed in a white bodysuit with a shining black mask as a face, came on the stage. This wasn't just a Tesla stunt though. It was also an introduction to the Tesla bot, a humanoid robot that Tesla is currently developing. We didn't think Tesla was talking about robot slaves when he mentioned employing his sophisticated technology in applications other than autos. That is not an exaggeration. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, envisions a world where human labor, such as grocery shopping, which he describes as the work that people least like to do, can be replaced by humanoid robots such as a Tesla bot. The bot stands at 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 125 pounds. Can deadlift 150 pounds, walks at 5 miles per hour, and wears a head with a screen that shows crucial information. Of course, it's meant to be nice and navigate a world made for humans, Musk added. We're setting it up such that you can run away from it and most likely overpower it on a mechanical and physical level. Because after all, no one wants to be beaten up by a robot that has had enough, right? The bot is being pitched as a non-automotive robotic use case for its work on neural networks and its Dojo advanced supercomputer, with a prototype anticipated next year. Musk did not reveal whether or not the Tesla bot will be able to dance. This isn't a gimmick. Believe it or not, Tesla is well positioned to construct an autonomous humanoid due to its artificial intelligence skills. Investors shouldn't get too enthusiastic just yet, though. Although Musk stated that a prototype would be ready next year, Tesla has a history of overpromising. On the other hand, it is interesting to see a motivated management team, so this is something to watch in the coming years. Take Musk's forecast for the near-term accomplishments with a grain of salt. The topics discussed at this event are unlikely to impact the company's operations in the months ahead significantly. The development of self-driving cars is a huge undertaking, even Waymo, widely regarded as having the best autonomous vehicle technology. It is still struggling to get it right. Tesla is no exception. Tesla's calendar for the rest of 2021 is already full. The company needs to establish manufacturing facilities in Texas and Germany. It also needs to ramp up production for its eagerly awaited Cybertruck, postponed until 2022. Full autonomy, in the sense that it exists, can wait. With that, we have come to the end. Let us know your thoughts and views in the comment section below. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time,